Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the color levels indicator for MT4 and MT5. You're going to find the link to both the links to both the MT4 and the MT5 versions down there in the description, okay? After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder, whether it's MT4 or MT5 you're using. Head over to the indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you head over to your navigator, refresh it, and then you drag and drop your color levels indicator to your charts. If you can't find the color levels indicator, just restart your terminal. Okay, so here we go. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked, and then these are the customizable inputs settings. Right, this is how the indicator looks like. So what this indicator does is that it helps you to visualize key price zones instantly. Basically, this is a tool. Okay, it's a tool that still requires some manual effort. Okay, what that means is, if you want to plot support and resistance zones on your chart, you can just tap on this and it's just going to help you to easily plot these things on your chart, right? So this is basically what it does. It's just a tool that makes it easier for you to plot all these things, whether it's your trend lines, your support and resistance zones, and all of that, right? You just have to tap on whatever you want to use. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you just drag to your desired position and extend or whatever you want to do. So this is how the indicator functions. All right, it doesn't give you buy or sell signals. It's just a tool for it's more like a drawing tool. Okay, this is just more like a drawing tool, as the name implies, color levels. So it helps you with a tool to, or rather a set of tools for you to choose from and draw your levels by yourself on your chart. Okay, now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers and God bless.